Hello everyone, welcome again to our creative video session. Today we talk about the locus rule. A study was conducted in 1998 at Columbia University by a professor Claudia M. Mueller. She took a large group of 5th grade and had them work on numerous puzzles by themselves. Now, these were very challenging puzzles, but regardless of how well each child did, he or she was told that they scored very well, that they did better than most of the other kids. Afterward, half of these students were told that they score high because they work hard. हाफ स्टूडेंट को ये कहा गया कि उन्होंने स्कोर हाई किया बिकॉज वो हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं, while the other half were told that it was all because they were smart and gifted. Then they presented each student with 3 more types of puzzles to work on. Easy ones जिसमें puzzles थोड़ी simple होगी, then medium और difficulty ones. सिंपल से थोड़ा लेवल उनका हाई होगा एंड एक्सट्रीमली चैलेंजिंग वंस. एंड देन व्हाट दे फाउंड वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. वो स्टूडेंट जिन्हें स्मार्ट कहा गया था वो सिंपल पजल सॉल्व कर रहे थे. दे स्पेंड ऑलमोस्ट नो टाइम ऑन द एक्सट्रीमली चैलेंजिंग पजल्स एंड स्पेंड मच लेस टाइम ओवरऑल ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व एनी ऑफ द पजल्स, which was a sign of lower level of motivation. यहाँ उनका motivation level बहुत ही low था. And when they asked whether or not they enjoyed the experiment, they said that it wasn't that fun for them because उन्हें interest ही नहीं दिखाया कि वो difficult puzzles भी solve करें. On the other hand, the students who were told that they were hardworking spent the majority of their time focused on the harder puzzles. They also spent a lot more time overall attempting to solve any of the puzzles, which was a sign of an increase in level of motivation. यहाँ पे उनका motivation level बहुत ज़्यादा था, high था. And after the experiment, they said that they actually enjoyed the entire experiment because वो motivated बहुत थे और वो difficult puzzles को solve करने में interest दिखा रहे थे, इसीलिए उनका जो motivation level था वो बहुत high था. So, what can we learn from this study? Well, there's a concept called locus of control, which is essentially the degree to which you believe that you have control over your life. वो किड्स जिन्हें कहा गया था वो स्मार्ट हैं, उनने ये सोचा कि जो आउटसाइड थिंग्स हैं उन्हें वो कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, जो डिफिकल्ट पजल्स है वो सॉल्व ही नहीं की. सो इसे हम एक्सटर्नल लोकस ऑफ कंट्रोल कहेंगे. On the other hand, the kids who were told that they did well because they work hard started to believe in what's called an internal locus of control. They believed that it was factors they control that led to their outcome. ये उनके extra effort है that allow them to do well. Because how much work you put into something is something that you have complete control over. Now, studies on the locus of control like this one have found time and time again that having an internal locus of control is the key to staying motivated. आपको फील होगा that आपका आपकी लाइफ में कंट्रोल है, आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो वो सारी थिंग्स के लिए जो आपकी लाइफ में हो रही है, आप मोटिवेटेड रहोगे. So how do we adopt an internal locus of control so that we can start feeling motivated all the time? Well, they found that the best way to do so is by simply solving problems in your own life. आप खुद की लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करिए. Then taking some time in appreciating the fact that it was your action that solve this problem. Believe that you are in control of your destiny, that you have an internal locus of control. So आप खुद की ही प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करिए और अप्रिशिएट करिए दैट कि आपके एक्शन से ही आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुई है. So that's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.